This is me playing through fontpub.com/game, and if you haven't seen Fontpub before, it's a web-based font editor that it's quite new, and we just drew the first outline, and now we will make some changes to it, getting into the habit of drawing like a real type designer. So now you see we like thinned this joint part. Now we get all of these for free. So these are like derived from the N. Okay, next is the letter O. And now we do some changes to this as well to make it look better. It doesn't really tell you why things are done, but you see you get really beautiful results. So just from drawing the O, we get all of these for free. And now we get to the small like adjustments here to make it look good. So basically we just adjust these nodes so we get the outline matching close enough. Something like that. Next. The S is usually a really hard one, where most beginners give up. So first we draw the rough shape here, but yeah, it doesn't look great. So we do these small optical fixes here. So you don't, like I said, you don't have to understand anything of this. Just you draw the nodes until you get the shape, the target shape. And this is how you build up like a muscle memory almost of how to draw each glyph. Okay, that's good enough for the S. V. 4 nodes. We snap them into place. And there's some minor like adjustments in the center here. And from the V we get all of these for free. Let's play this again. Look closely now at the X. So you see we just scale the V down to half size and then kind of flip it upside down and put that as the bottom half. And now look at the K. So you see we flip the left diagonal like underneath itself, and then yeah, that's how we get the K. So it's a super quick like way to draw the full alphabet if you just want to prototype something. This looks good enough. And then from the T we get these for free. And the C is interesting. So you see we just start with the O and like a subtraction zone. So we place this here. That looks fine. And now we get the outline to match it. And for the E we have this center rectangle, and we just put it out to match the overlay. Drag these down. And now we just try to match the gray curve here, so and the bottom one as well. That's nice. Okay, G. So this one is more just a puzzle. And then you see it's quite cramped here at the bottom. How like this curve, it almost collides with this circular shape. So let's drag this up. Last one. Yeah, this is fine as it is. And now we can type anything we want. So we get a keyboard here, keyboard where we can see all the glyphs. We can also just get our normal phone keyboard and type with that instead. And you can click here to publish and download it. So you get a link for free, and you can send it to anyone you want. That's quite nice.